Hello everyone, and welcome to Braingab. Today, we have an electrifying topic to shed some light on. Solar panels. Have you ever wondered how those sleek, shiny panels on rooftops convert sunlight into electricity? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to demystify the fascinating world of solar panels and explain how they work. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand the basic principle behind solar panels. At their core, solar panels are devices that harness the power of the sun to generate electricity. This process is based on a phenomenon called the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight, which is composed of tiny packets of energy called photons, strikes the surface of a solar panel, something incredible happens. The photons energize electrons within the solar cells, causing them to break free from their atoms. These free-moving electrons then flow through the material, creating an electric current. And voila! That's how solar panels generate electricity. Now that we know the basic principle, let's explore the components that make up a solar panel system. First, we have the solar panels themselves, often made of silicon. These panels are divided into cells, each containing multiple layers of semiconductor materials. Next, we have an inverter. Its job is to convert the direct current, DC, electricity produced by the panels into alternating current, AC, which is the type of electricity used in our homes. Additionally, there's a racking system to mount the panels securely on your roof or in your yard, and of course, a connection to the electrical grid or batteries to store excess energy for later use. But solar panels aren't just about science and technology, they come with some fantastic benefits too. First, they are environmentally friendly. Solar energy is clean and doesn't produce harmful emissions, reducing our carbon footprint. Second, solar panels can save you money in the long run. While the initial installation cost might seem high, you'll see significant savings on your electricity bill over time. And let's not forget about the potential for government incentives and tax credits, making solar panels even more affordable. Now, a few words about maintenance. Solar panels are remarkably low maintenance. They require occasional cleaning to remove dust and dirt, and it's a good idea to have them inspected periodically to ensure they're performing at their best. In conclusion, solar panels are a remarkable technology that converts sunlight into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. They're eco-friendly, cost-effective, and a wise investment for a sustainable future. And there you have it, folks. I hope this video has shed some light on how solar panels work. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Braingab for more enlightening content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the future is looking bright with solar energy.